Genier ACE. Heating and temperature control. Food control. Just set target temperature for the food. Automatic heating up burn prevent. Food control is optimal for all basic cooking. Burst mode. To accelerate heating. No burn prevent in use. Steam control. Set temperature for the kettle surface. For caramelization and flavor releasing at 125 degrees Celsius. Delta T control. Control the difference between food and steam temperatures. Ideal for gentle, slow cooking. 360 sense control. Set temperature for the food. Wireless measurement of core temperature.